say a prayer, say a wish. Let's release the doubts and the blues. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, you were with them as they said, I do now, let's join them as they partake of their first meal as husband and wife. Put your word, let's round of applause, let's roll in the newlyweds. John and Anna, it's showtime! Yeah! You shut it out, but I can't hear you. You're talking loud, not saying nothing. I'm better stop. Shoot me down, gagamitin. Oh my goodness! Taklo ba ng mata ng mga bata? Natin si John! Hindi lang pala engineer, isa pa siyang marino. Si Sid Marino. Palawakan natin si John! Come on! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Sir John, show it us! Come on! Paikot-ikot na yan. Okay! Now, sabi ko nga, all of you who participated in this event, share in the good luck of the garter ceremony is a very serious one. Kailangan kasi ito ay pinagbibigyan ng kaukulang atensyon. Kaya naman po, ang gagawin po natin ay ipapasa-pasa po ninyo ang garter habang tumutugtog po ang Gangnam Style at sumasayaw kayo. Do the Gangnam Garter Dance! Pasayaw muna, yan! Sige, yak na! Gangnam Style! Sige, down! Yan! Yan ang ating lister sa atin! Your name, sir? The best man, palapakan natin. Our winner is the best man. The winner of the bouquet is the lady holding the rose with the shortest stem.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. I love fancy.
Angela is our winner. Okay, and our best man, please. Okay. Pero, Mr. Bestman, kinuha yan ni Sir John with a sexy dance. John, let's return the garter. Yes, Sir Christian. At isa lang, ang dalawa lang sisigaw nyo. Higher or highest. Okay. Christian, do it! Come on.
I wanna go higher.
Higher, 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 higher. John over here will have 3 kisses for Anna. At kung ano ang gawing kiss ni John for Anna, kailangan mong tapatan o higitan. For Angela, kiss sa cheek. Okay, first kiss. The first kiss. Palawakan mo na. Now, this gets more interesting. Third kiss. Nasa ba yung parents? Sabi ng